Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Kuga. From any screen, if you go to Ford, you've got Bluetooth there. Click on Bluetooth, select active phone, select active Bluetooth audio device, debond BT device, debond Bluetooth device. So we'll click on that. And it's only showing my phone at the moment. Click on that. It's gone.